In this video, we're discussing the asynchronous replacement for the RC Circuits lab, the exponential decay lab. In this lab, you will be studying the decay of RC circuits, but also radioactive decay. For RC circuits, you are being supplied logger pro data of capacitors being charged and discharged through known resistors. So by using those charging and discharging times and the known resistances, you can calculate the capacitance of the capacitors that were being used. You will also be studying radioactive decay. First, there's a provided dataset that we have taken of a radioactive decay being measured by a Geiger-Müller tube. So you can have that data of the number of decays that happen per 10 seconds for the entire decay of that sample. You will also be creating your own decay data by modeling it using a number of dice rolls. So you can think of a die, a six-sided cube, having a 1 in 6 chance of decaying if you remove it from the pile every time it rolls a 1 or every time it rolls a 6. So you will be using that kind of a method to create a model decay using those dice rolls. Thank you for watching this video. Here's the fact for this week.
Eve Curie did not win the Nobel Prize, but her mother and father won the Nobel Prize in physics. Her mother, sister, and brother-in-law won the Nobel Prize in chemistry, and her husband received a Nobel Peace Prize for his work with UNICEF. Talk about the underachiever of the family.